Hello everyone, I'm Dipanshu Singh and I'm a student of PSIT COE MBA first year. Today I'm going to share my views on a topic that is very special to me, that is TEDP sessions. It stands for Technology Entrepreneurship Development Program that has college has organized. In those sessions, we used to learn about the basics of programming, how to develop an app, and what it takes to be a good entrepreneur. The courage it takes, the brave heart it takes to take a step forward and a step ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepika Gupta and I am student of BPharm 4th year PSIT Kanpur. I am very glad to share my experience with you people. This college has not only provided me with a great academic platform but has also aided me in my overall development.
I learned many new things about web designing, Android app development, and most importantly, entrepreneurship.
Apart from that, our faculty member have discussed through real life case studies of the startup. Moreover, this program helps to understand how to prepare the report for getting the loans from the bank by utilizing the government scheme.
Entrepreneurship Development Program. The program was based on digital marketing, app development, and how to start a small business and how to become a successful entrepreneur. The sessions were very well explained by the teachers. The college invited many guests to share their life experiences. They also tell us how to use social media to earn money.
Program, we learned about how to develop an Android app and website management. In this program, we get opportunity to meet big and emerging entrepreneurs. So they gave us lesson about how to start business, run business, and capture market and create network. They also gave us lesson about digital marketing and many other technical steps related to Android app development and many other things.
Today I am successfully running my business, which is known as Vishwakarma Traders from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. We are manufacturing many of iron and steel equipments in my workshop, which is used in government sector, private sector, and much more places.
We used to have some fun quiz round to keep us invested and motivated. The faculty member who has organized these TEDP sessions and who has given this opportunity to us, Dr. Pranay Valsa, he has left no stone unturned when it came to our requirements and our learning. I would like to thank each and every member associated with this TEDP sessions. You all have added a very big part in our personality, and definitely we will carry this forward in our future. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pranay Val and I am working as head of PSIT IDC. IDC stands for Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center, which was established by Department of Science and Technology in our institute. We generally used to provide support to all the students who are having an idea and are willing to form a startup. We have a pool of mentors in which we have experts from MSME, SIDBI and IIT Kanpur. We support students for forming their startup. And I am thankful to Department of Science and Technology NIMET for continuously providing funding for execution of training programs like TEDP, EDP, EAC and FDPs. I am thankful to our chairman sir for encouraging and providing all the infrastructural support required for execution of this program. I am very much thankful to our Managing Director Shefali ma'am for continuously providing her suggestions in execution of this program. I am thankful to all the directors, especially our pharmacy director, Dr. A.K. Rai sir, for providing and motivating me for execution of these programs. Thank you.